Python playlist. We done all the tasks that like we done our visualization. We use features engineering, and we make many different plots, and we make pie chart here. As you can see, we also done the correlation between features. So now it's time to understand how we can use. Let's just understand descriptive statistics and data summarization. So for introduction of descriptive statistics, I would say it is descriptive statistics are essential tools for summarizing and analyzing data. They help us to understand the central tendency, spread, and distribution of the dataset. Rather than working with the raw numbers, these statistics allow us to extract meaningful insights and detect patterns. And why the descriptive and statistics important? So because they provide a quick summary of large data set, and they also help us in detecting errors, outliers, and trends. They are also the first step in the EDA process that we already done, exploratory data analysis, before applying advanced techniques. So there are key descriptive statistics metrics such as mean, median, mode, variation, and standard deviation. Uh, let's talk about the mean, which is average, the sum of all the values divided by the number of values, gives a central measure of the data set. Also, median, the middle value when all the data points are arranged in order, so less affected by extreme values. And mode, the most frequently occurring values in the data set, which is also useful for categorical data. Let's talk about how we can generate the summary statistics with pandas. As you know, we already use pandas library. So let's generate our summary statistics with pandas. So for that, we also add import pandas. As you know, we already done this task, but let's add one more line. uh, Load your data set, and in that we already load our data set. We just need to copy and paste here. So let's just copy this, and here we need to paste. And also we also summary, we get the summary. So let's just comment out this summary of numerical columns and so for that we can make summary states is equal to df dot describe print summary states. Now run this code. As you can see, we have the output here. What does describe shows? It is shows the count, mean, std, mean and median. And like we also have 25%, 50%, 75, and maximum. So count as it shows the number of non null values on each column. Also mean, the average value, and std means like standard deviation, how much values vary. Mean and median, smallest and largest values, and 25, 50, and 75%, which means like quarters, which will also help us to understand the data distribution. If we need any specific statistics, we can also calculate them individually. Also, let's talk about interpreting the results. For example, insights from screen time data. So if the mean and median are close, the data is normally distributed. If the mean is much higher than the median, there are outliers pulling the average up. Like a few users have a very high screen time. And also, if the variance and standard deviation are high, it means that users have widely varying screen time. So this is the video for like the how you can do like descriptive statistics and data summarization. We can also do specific statistics here. Let's start with we can also print mean screen time and TF or average screen time by hours dot mean and close this. So let's try to run this code. As you can see, we have the unexpected okay. So for that we have to use this control S control run. We have the error here. So for the DF average screen time hours, so we have the error here and it shows that we use different. Okay, so we have to add one, we have to remove this bracket here, and now we can run this. So we have the mean screen time 2.99. So we can also just copy this and let's get median. So for that median we have to write median and average median time median and average screen time hours. Now let's try to run this code. We have the median screen time 2.4949. We can also get mode. So for that we just need to change mode, add more here, mode. So run this code. The average screen time hours, data type float for 64. Also we can get the variance. So for that we need to we have to write a variance of screen time and df average screen time hours and var here var. So run this code. Variance of screen time 3.6972, and we can also get the standard deviation for standard deviation of screen time, average screen time hours std. Okay. Now you can see we have the standard deviation of screen time 1.922. So this was the specific statistics that we can calculate them individually. We can get the mean, median, mode. As you can see, we also get the standard deviation and variance of screen time. So this was the video for our this statistics of descriptive statistics and data summarization. We also have more upcoming videos on this topic, so stay tuned for that.